All right, we're on chapter 10, 10, and then this one is 1 or 10 minus 1, so that would be 9. So 29. You know what you are, said Alan, his nose almost touching Billy's. You're a jerk. And you're another, sneered Billy as through clenched teeth. And a lying, or a cheating, lying, dirty, snot-nosed, cheating, lying one. If you say 2 more words, said Alan, you know what? I'll beat your head in. Billy breathed hard. I'm right behind you, muttered Tom, peering grimly over Billy's shoulder, his fists clenched. Yeah, said Joe from behind Alan. So what? We can lick both of you with our hands tied behind our backs and paper bags over our heads. You couldn't lick a flea. Yeah, yeah. Whack, thump. So, it's like they are fighting. Someone's choking. Not fair. Thwomp. Gouge. Joe crawled off behind a tree, nose bleeding. Whomp! He's pulling hair. He's scratching. Twist, twist, twist. Alan crawled, weeping behind a bush. Thump. Whack. Donk. Billy, it's just you and me. Where are the others? Tom and Billy untangled and sat up, bruised, scratched, dusty, shirts torn, hair tousled. Tom's nose was bleeding. Billy's shoe had come off. Yeah, yeah, sassed Alan and Joe from behind the tree. Billy started to shake his fists at them and clamber up, but then sank back. Tom panted beside him, bleary-eyed. Yeah, yeah, all worn out. Can't fight anyone. Alan scooped up a handful of mud and flung it at Tom and Billy. Then Joe did the same. Billy and Tom scrambled up and pelted back. Mud splattered against trees and bushes. Alan began to cry. A rock hit Billy over the eye. He sat down backward in the mud, covering his head with his arms, sobbing. Joe and Tom stopped throwing. Joe grabbed Alan. Come on. Tom knelt beside Billy. Let me see, Billy. Is it bad? Take your arms away so I can see. He tried to pull Billy's arms apart. Billy wrenched away. Come on, said Tom. Come on, Tom, said Tom in a scared voice. I'll take you home. Come on. Your mother can take you to the doctor. Wonder what the parents are going to say.